Hello everyone, welcome back to a new lecture. In this new lecture, we would be learning about the cut extrude command, what it is and how do we use it. Without wasting any time, let's move to SolidWorks and get started. We will begin from where we left in the previous video. In the previous video, we had extruded a rectangular profile to this plate which is 10 mm thick. In this video, we would be cutting a circular hole in this plate. Previously, you've seen that we use one of these three planes in order to create a sketch. But you can also create a sketch using any of these planes or the faces of this body. Let's say we want to create a sketch on this face of the body. We will click on it and select the sketch command from over here. We will set our sketch plane normal to the screen and we will start with sketching. We can see here that we are already in the sketch mode. We will select circle from over here and draw it on this plane or the face of the geometry. Now we can see over here that the sketch is not fully defined, it is underdefined. For this we will use dimensions and define it. For example, I want the center of this circle from this line over here at 40 millimeters. And I want the center of this circle from this line over here or the edge of this geometry at 25 millimeters. Now we can see that we've aligned the circle, but the radius of the circle is yet not been defined. So we will select the circle and give it a radius of 30 millimeters. Now we can see that our sketch is fully defined and it has turned black from blue. Now we will simply move to the features tab over here and select the cut extrude command. As we can see over here, our sketch has been highlighted and this is the portion that it will cut. But before we move to cutting it, we can see over here that we have similar options as the boss extrude command. This one is used to change directions and these are the options that will help us to define our cut. Blind, as we know, it will cut all the material from the geometry up till the distance that we've specified. Through all and through all both are the options that we use if you want to cut all the material that is there without giving any dimensions. If we select through all, we can see over here that the option to input dimension does not appear. Through all just cuts the material in one direction and on the other side through all both cuts material on both sides of the directions. Up to next is used to cut up till a next surface or up to the next geometry. Up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body and mid plane are similar as used in boss extrude. Let's say we select blind and cut this geometry up till this other face. What we will do here is that we've entered 10 mm as we know that the thickness of this plate is 10 mm. We will simply click on OK and we can see over here that our geometry has been cut. We have a circular hole in between the plate. You can see this is how our plate looks. I hope it was very clear how do we use cut extrude command. Now that you have been introduced to both boss extrude and cut extrude command, in the next video we will take a look at some exercises that will help you create 3D geometries better, and with practice you will get better at it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.